Hello, this is Tamangdai. I have brought you a tutorial on drawing realistic leaves. As we know, step 1 is to draw outline. So, in this video I have already done the outline, so I will start from the second step, that is shading. If you want video for outline, please let me know in the comment box. Here I am using SB pencil for shading. In this step, I am going to give pencil strokes as per the reference. For darker tone, we are giving a high pressure, and for light area, we are giving the light pressure. If you are getting bored watching this tutorial, you can fast forward the video into 2x. While shading is done, the next step is to blend the pencil stroke. It will make the shading smooth and more real. I'm using this brush. You can use blending stumps, airboard, tissue paper too. Again, I'm taking my HB pencil to draw the texture of leaf as per reference. After giving the texture to the leaves, I am using this electrical eraser for giving the highlight. Again, after giving the highlight, we will be using 2B pencil. You need to remember that after using the SB pencils, we need to use higher grade of pencil, that is like 2B, 4B, 6B. We need to increase the grade of pencil gradually. How much darker you want, how much darker the subject is, as per reference. I will be using this 2B pencil to draw the darker area and give the texture. Again, we will be using the electrical eraser to give the highlight to the lips, and we will be also blending. You can see step by step. This is a real-time video, so you can fast forward the video. Now I'm using a makeup brush for shading the darker area of the lips. I'm using charcoal powder, or you can use graphite powder for shading. You need to know how to use the charcoal powder, so you can use light grade of graphite powder. We can achieve light to dark tone from the charcoal and graphite powders. You need to shade lightly so that you can get a light tone. If we got a darker tone, then you can use kneaded eraser to lighten it up, but let it not make dark. It will be messed up using kneaded eraser. Also, we cannot regain that kind of smoothness in our drawing. So I'm using this makeup brush. There is also a method of using this makeup brush for shading. You need to use circular motion so it can shade smoothly in your drawing, else you can get the patches or dark tone in some areas. After using this makeup brush, I am also again using 2B pencil to darken the darkest area and drawing the texture to make it look more real and increase the contrast of the sketch as per the reference. We need to repeat the process step by step and layering by layering so that we can achieve the realism as per the reference. Since the textures are too sharp and small, I am using this mechanical pencil to draw the texture and darken the dark area of leaves. So as you know that we need to repeat the process step by step and layer by layer. After shading and drawing the texture, I am using this jelly roll pen to give the lightest highlight in the upper leaves. After giving the highlight, I will be using this charcoal pencil to give the darkest dark and or you can say that shadow where light cannot into, and using this 2B pencil to give the texture to my lips, so it could look more real. And that's all. You need to darken the texture or lips as per reference, and you can get the realistic lips. Follow the process, don't be lazy. Hope you all like this video. Thank you for watching. Tata, bye bye, have a great day.